welcome back to my channel. So today's an exciting video. I just want to thank you guys so much because I reached over 3,000 subscribers. So I want to say thank you guys so much. So guess what time it is? It's time for another giveaway, just like I said I would. So guys, in order to participate on this giveaway, all you have to do is make sure you're subscribed to my channel, comment, like, subscribe. You have to comment in order to be able to participate because I use the random comment thing, and that's how it chooses the winner. The giveaway is going to be a gift card of $25 to your choice of website that you would like to purchase succulents or cactus from. It is open international as long as I'm able to go into the website of your choice and purchase the gift card. And also, I want to thank you guys so much for supporting my husband on his channel. To those of you that subscribe, to those of you that haven't, please subscribe to his channel. He would so much appreciate it. You guys get to see what he finds and the stuff that he might find that I might use for the succulents. So thank you guys so much for your support. The giveaway will end next Saturday, not this Saturday, but next Saturday before 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I will choose a winner and post it. Just want to say thank you again, and don't forget to hit the bell to remind you of when I post a video. Bye guys.